an exceptional taste to your pancakes with our homemade pancake syrup recipe. It is very easy to make and is perfect to have in your kitchen for breakfast. The first thing you need to do is add some granulated sugar, brown sugar, corn syrup, water, and maple flavoring into a pot. Set the stove on high heat and stir the ingredients gently. Bring it to a boil, then continue stirring. Now lower the heat to medium heat and let it cook for approximately 30 minutes. Once ready, remove it from the heat and place it in the refrigerator. Transfer it to a jar once chilled, then you may now drizzle it generously over your pancakes. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.